Hi everyone, welcome back to Yoga with Ramani. Let's get started just sitting on the couch, hands on our knees, close your eyes. Take a deep breath, breathe in through your nose and sigh it out through your mouth. Good job, let's do that again. Take a deep breath, breathe in through your nose, filling your belly up with air. Open mouth, exhale, sigh the air out of your mouth. Drop your head forward, bringing your chin to your chest. And now right ear to right shoulder. Drop your head forward again. And now left ear to left shoulder. Again, drop your head forward, right ear to right shoulder. Place your right hand next to you as you lift up and over with that left arm coming into your side body stretch. And let's lower that left arm again. Drop your head forward, left ear to left shoulder. Lift that right arm up and over for your side body stretch. And we come back to center. Sweep both arms up overhead now. Let's interlace our fingers and then press the palms up towards the ceiling, taking a big inhale. Exhale, press the hands forward as you round your spine. Again, inhale, lengthen your spine, look up, reach back. Exhale, round your spine, press the palms forward. Inhale, reach up, look up, arch the back. Exhale, round your spine. And let's come back up, reaching up. Let's extend the fingertips up this time. Bring your hands to heart center and take a deep breath. Let's bring our right leg into a half butterfly. Slowly make your way into a forward fold. It's okay if you are not touching the floor here. I just want you to make sure you're relaxing your head, your neck, and your shoulders. Now let's come back up. Place your left hand on your right knee. Place your right hand behind you, taking an inhale, you lengthen your spine. Exhale, twist. Maybe looking over that shoulder. And we come back to center, straightening that right leg out onto the couch, coming into a forward fold, relaxing your upper body. Now from this forward fold, let's make our way to the middle. Reaching forward. Lift your right arm up towards the ceiling. Take some circles with your right wrist. Lower that right arm back down. And we come back up. And let's do that same thing on the other side. So now let's bring our left leg into our half butterfly. Slowly make your way into that forward fold. We come back up, place that right hand on that left knee. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, twist, maybe looking over that shoulder. Come back to center as you straighten that left leg out to the side. And come into your forward fold. Make your way to the center. And now let's extend our left arm up towards the ceiling, taking some circles with the wrist. Lower your arm back down. And now let's prop ourselves up on the couch, bringing both legs on the couch in front of us. Shake your legs out a little bit and then reach forward, coming into your forward fold. Relaxing your head, your neck, and your shoulders. We come back up. Let's make our way onto our back this time. Pull your left knee into your chest as you flex and point your left toes. Keeping that left foot flexed, we're going to extend our leg up towards the ceiling, grabbing behind our hamstring, just gently pulling on that leg. And lower that leg back down. Pull your right knee into your chest, flexing and pointing your toes. Keep your right foot flexed as you extend your right leg up towards the ceiling. Let's lower that right foot back down, and you can get comfortable on the couch. Let's place our hands on our belly. Take a big inhale, breathing in through the nose. Open mouth, exhale, let it go. Again, big breath in through the nose. Open mouth, exhale, let it go. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. I hope you really enjoyed class. Everything that you need is going to be on the screen and in the description box below, including classes that I teach outside of YouTube. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one.